Why does your scanner show the P0303 engine code? What does it mean? P0303 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 3 misfire detected. The P0303 engine code indicate your car's computer system has recognized that the air-fuel mixture in the third cylinder is not burning properly, triggering your check engine light. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: bad spark plug, failed ignition coil, wiring issues, low cylinder compression, faulty fuel injector. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Hyundai, Mazda, Nissan, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.